Thaneeru Harish Rao, born June 3, 1972, is an Indian politician from the TRS.He is the Finance Minister of Telangana from 2019. He has been a member of the Telangana Legislative Assembly since 2004 representing Siddipet. Between 2014 and 2018, he served as Minister for Irrigation, Marketing and Legislative Affairs of Telangana. With his win at the 2018 Assembly election, Rao became the youngest six-time member of any legislative assembly in India. He is appointed as the Minister of Finance in the cabinet expansion held on September 8, 2019. Rao is born in Chintamadaka, Siddipet, and his native place is Thotapally in Velama community family, Karimnagar district to Satyanarayana Rao and Lakshmibai. His father was a government employee. He studied at Vananikat and Pathashala. He completed his diploma from Government Polytechnic in Hyderabad. He completed his graduation from Kakatiya University. Harish Rao married to Srinitha Rao. They have two kids, a son and daughter. Son name is Akasman. Daughter name is Vaishnavi. Harish Rao started his political journey with Telangana Rashtra Samiti as youth leader. He was elected to Assembly at the age of 32 from Siddipet, Assembly constituency. He raised his strong voice in Assembly on various issues of Telangana region. Soon, he became key member of Telangana Rashtra Samiti and started working as internal party strategist. He along with other MLAs resigned as Congress party delayed the announcement of bifurcation of Telangana. He won as MLA with majority over 58,000, though it was major setback for party winning only 7 MLA seats and 2 MP seats out of 17 MLAs and 4 MPs contested. In 2009, once again elected as MLA from Siddipet, Assembly constituency with over 60,000 majority. He elected as TRS party legislative member. Soon after, he and 10 other members from the TRS resigned from the Legislative Assembly in support of a separate state for Telangana. In July 2010, the High Court of Andhra Pradesh ordered the Election Commission of India to conduct by-polls in Siddipet, Assembly constituency, and other towns across the Telangana region. Harish Rao contested again from Siddipet, Assembly constituency, defeating opponent Babu Mohan, from the Telugu Desam party, yet again. He played active political role by working at grassroots level by building the party and uniting all other parties for the cause of Telangana. Harish Rao has won again as the MLA for the sixth consecutive time with a whopping majority of 1,20,650 votes in 2018 elections. Harish Rao contested as member of Legislative Assembly from Siddipet, Assembly constituency. Harish Rao sworn in Minister of Irrigation on June 2, 2014. He started Mission Kakatiya program for restoring all the tanks and lakes in Telangana state, India. The program was inaugurated on March 12, 2015 by Chief Minister Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. As part of this, government restored 45,000 plus tanks and lakes. Under Irrigation Ministry, TRS government redesigned the project Pranahitha Shivela project on the ground that the original plan had too many environmental obstacles and had very low water storage provision, only about 16.5 TMC foot after conducting a highly advanced light detection and ranging LiDAR survey for a couple of months. The government separated the original components serving the Adalaban area as the Pranahitha project and renamed the rest as Kaleshwaram by redesigning the head works, storage capacity, and the canal system based on the data of availability of water at different locations along the course of the Godavari and its tributaries. The Kaleshwaram project has provision for the storage of about 148 TMC fort with plans of utilizing 180 TMC fort by lifting at least 2 TMC fort water every day for 90 flood days. The project is designed to irrigate 738,851 hectares, over 18.47 lakh acres, uplands in the erstwhile districts of Karimnagar, Nijamabad, Warangal, Medak, Nalgonda, and Rangareddy. Harish Rao has close association with party cadre. Cadre often refer him as party troubleshooter. He played key role during 2014 elections in all Telangana, especially in United Medak district and other district in northern Telangana. He also took the complete responsibility of by-election, 2014, Medak and Nara yanked by-elections. TRS party won with huge majority on both the occasions.